You can get it, boy. You can get it. Thank you for inspiring me. You're welcome. Ow. Oh my god, I wish I got that. Look at what Milo's doing.
What?
He's trying to get the string.
All the way up in the ceiling?
I'm making a video of it.
Okay.
So much here. Look at Milo. Milo's still here. Look at that cute little Milo. Oh, Milo. You decided to leave? Is Tay gonna come over this weekend?
No, baby, she's gonna be with the bed.
Looks like both kitties are here. Say hello to you too, little Mia. When you forget to hit the tablet. Oh my. Hey there, what's up? Can I actually visit Hayden for a little while?
She's with her daddy, baby. And then they're going tonight, she's going home with them. And tomorrow she's got a birthday party, and then she's going to her grandma's house. I'm sorry, baby.
Or can I visit her when she's at her grandma's house?
No, they live on the south side.
That's too far away.
Yeah, Kenny won't take you over there.